Meaning of diachronic.
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 Diachronic. The term diachronic refers to the study of language or culture over time, with a focus on how it changes and evolves. It is concerned with examining the historical development of a language or culture, as well as identifying the various factors that contribute to its changes and transformations. Diachronic analysis involves comparing different stages of a language or culture to trace its evolution and identify patterns of change. By studying the diachronic development of a language or culture, scholars can gain insights into its origins, history, and evolution, which can shed light on its present-day characteristics and trends.